Hello students, welcome back to my session, and today we are going to solve the remaining part of the same exercise 3.2. And those who have missed the previous session, I am giving you I button in the top of the video. You can click on there and you will get the missing part of this exercise. Let us start the question number 7. What the question number 7 is saying to you all: give 3 pairs of the prime numbers whose difference is 2. Here remark is already given that 2 prime numbers whose difference is 2 are called twin primes. Means you are having 2 prime numbers, those are factor themselves and they are factor of 1 itself also, so they will be prime number. But if they are having a difference of 2, so they will be twin prime. Let us start this solution. What I will have to solve, I will take prime numbers with the difference 2. Okay, so I am taking odd prime numbers. Fine, I will not take 2 because if I will take 2, so what should be the next number? I will take 2, leave 3 and 4, so I will get 5, and here we are having a difference of 3. That's why I am not taking, I am starting from odd prime numbers. So I am taking 3, and if I want to skip 2 numbers, so I will get 5. So my first pair is for 3 and 5. Here you can notice I will take another pair, that is 5, and after 2 numbers I will get 7, and you can see there is a difference of 2. I have to write 3 pairs, so what should be the 3? And third pair I will not take 9 because 7 and 9 I will not take. 7 is a prime number but 9 is a composite number, and so what if they are having a difference of 2? So I will take 11, and after the difference of 2 I will get 13, and 11 and 13 both are prime numbers. So here we are having 3 pairs, and these are with the difference of 2. Everywhere you can check the difference is 2. So here we are having our answer. Let's consider about the solution number, question number 9. Write 7 consecutive composite number. Consecutive means numbers are coming back to back. Okay, so 7 consecutive composite number. Composite, those are having factor more than 2 factors, and these numbers should be less than 100. So we have to find out 7 back to back numbers. These should be composite numbers, means they should be a part of other tables also, and so that there is no prime number between them. आपको इन 7 नंबर्स के बीच में कोई भी प्राइम नंबर वाला नंबर एग्जिस्ट नहीं होना चाहिए. लेट्स स्टार्ट द सॉल्यूशन. स्टूडेंट्स, वी आर हैविंग 7 consecutive numbers. Start from 90, because if we are taking numbers below 90, so somewhere we are having a combination of composite number and prime numbers. But question is having a condition that they don't want any prime number between these 7 numbers. So we are having these 7 numbers from 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95. How many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 96. See, 0, 2, 4, 6. These are even numbers, and these are composite also. And 91, it is a part of 1, 91, 13 and 7. Here you can see 93. Again it is a part of table of 3. You will get the factors 31 time. And here in 95, so you will get factors 1, 95, 19 and 5. See, they all are having 4 factors at least. So these all are composite number, and there is no prime number. So this will be the answer of question number 8. And notice they all are less than 100. Nobody is crossing 100. So come to the next question. In question number 10, we have to express each of the following numbers as the sum of 3 odd prime numbers. We have to take odd numbers and they should be prime, they should be factor of themselves only or the treble of 1 also, and we will add 3 prime numbers and we have to find out sum as a 21, 31, 53 and 61. I will solve A part and C part for you. B and D you will attempt yourself. So if I want to express 21 in 3 odd prime numbers, so I will not take 1. 1 is neither prime nor composite, so I will skip 1, and I will not take 2 because 2 is a prime number but it is not odd. 2 is an even number. So what should I take? I will take 3, 5 and that is 8. Less than 21 you will minus from 21 you will get 13. So remaining number should be 13, and after addition you will get 21 again. You will take example from other numbers. You can solve as per your choice also. And here what we will do, for making 53 I have to take again prime numbers and they all should be odd, so we will not take 2 and we will not take 1. So what else we can take? First I am thinking that I want 3, so first number I am taking 13, and if 3 is there so I will make it 0 or 10, 100 or in the form of 10, so I will take 17. So they are making 30 I am having and I want 3. So what the next digit should be? 3 should be there, and what is more requirement element, that is 2. 30 I am having, and after lessing is from 53 you will get 23. So it was the required third number, and you can check these all are prime number and these all are odd number also. So here we can express, so you will take so many trials to find out the numbers. They should be prime and odd also. सॉल्यूशन 11 में हमें 5 पेयर्स ऐसे लेने हैं प्राइम नंबर के जो 20 से स्मॉलर होंगे और जिनका सम जो है वो डिविजिबल बाय 5 होना चाहिए. एक एग्जांपल उन्होंने दे रखा है 3 + 7 = 10. नाउ वी विल ट्राई विद अ हिंट. हम हिंट से पहले समझेंगे. 3 + 7 = 10 और जो 10 है वो 5 से डिविजिबल है. सो अब हमें क्या लेना है? 5 पेयर्स बनाने हैं. तो पेयर में हर नंबर प्राइम नंबर होना चाहिए. तो हम लोग इसके लिए स्टार्ट करते हैं. अब पहला नंबर क्या आता है? 5 की टेबल में 5 आता है. तो हमें क्या चाहिए? 5 चाहिए, लेकिन इन द फॉर्म ऑफ प्राइम नंबर. सो व्हाट वी हैव टू डू? वी विल मेक 2 + 3. They both are prime number. They are factor of 1 and themselves also. And next pair, if you want to take 10, 5 की टेबल में नेक्स्ट नंबर क्या है? 10. प्राइम नंबर के फॉर्म में क्या लिख सकते हैं? 3 + 7. 3 and 7 बोथ प्राइम नंबर्स हैं. 1 की टेबल में आते हैं और अपनी टेबल में आते हैं. और क्या नंबर ले सकते हैं? 5 की टेबल में नेक्स्ट आता है 15. 15 को आप लिखिए 2 + 13 लिख सकते हैं. 2 भी प्राइम नंबर है और 13 भी प्राइम नंबर है. नेक्स्ट और कोई नंबर, जैसे आपको क्या लेना है? 20 लेना है. तो 20 बनाने के लिए या तो आप 3 + 17 लिखिए, या फिर आप 20 को और किस तरीके से लिख सकते थे? 13 + 7 भी लिखेंगे तो भी 20 आता है, और ये 25 की टेबल में आता है तो 5 से डिविजिबल है ही सही. तो आपके पास 5 पेयर्स ये हो चुके हैं. और आप चाहें तो एक और नंबर ले सकते हैं जो इससे आगे जा रहा हो. उसने कहा था तब तक लिखना है जब तक कि आपके लेस देन 20 वाले नंबर नहीं आ जाते हैं. अभी ये सब लेस देन 20 ही हैं. अब नेक्स्ट नंबर आपने लेना है 11 एंड 19. 11, 19 दोनों अभी 19, 20 से जस्ट लेसर नंबर है. ऐड करेंगे तो आंसर में आएगा 30, और ये 30 भी क्या है हमारे पास? लेस देन डिविजिबल बाय 5 है. सो यू कैन मेक सो मेनी ऑप्शंस यार, मतलब लेकिन आपके पास अभी एक आप चाहे तो और भी बना सकते हैं. 25 का मैंने नहीं लिया, आप ट्राई कर दीजिएगा उसको, वो बनता है या नहीं बनता है. आई होप स्टूडेंट्स दिस सेशन विल बी हेल्पफुल टू यू ऑल.